In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by accessing Play Store and getting this app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets on the left. Click on one of the available ones and select Yes. Then adjust all of its settings. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Now just click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. On home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!